keep turning up.
It looks amazing.
This is what we're talking about, guys. Bikes, and more bikes.
From the tyrant, I don't even know if I can handle this pain. Every day's a murder, kids get put in the grave. Shout for his race, he was raised. Peace was the only thing that he ever craved.
Here we are, guys, still at Ace Cafe, and yes, as you can see, more and more bikes are arriving all the time. What we got here, this car park was virtually empty. It was an amazing turnout.